What do we
I'm
make?
sure that I'm looking so ugly now.
I know, but
You know.
so what are we making here?
We are making gozleme,
Uh-huh.
but we need to boil potatoes first.
Okay, and that takes the longest, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We are going to wait like 20 minutes maybe.
Okay. So you have the prepared bread already. So you just have to cook the potatoes and what else?
Yes. Then after I put potatoes inside it.
Okay.
And we are going to fry it a little bit. But
Maybe.
not too much, not with too much oil.
Not too much oil, okay.
A little
And
bit.
no cheese and meat for me.
No. But normally I put cheese.
Yeah, okay. What about the onions? You'll put those in?
Yeah, I put onion.
Okay.
I mix with potatoes after.
Yeah, alright. So we'll have marjimek soup
Yes.
along with
I don't know what is mercimek in
lentils.
Ah, yes.
So you steam or you fry the onions?
Yes.
Okay.
After I put together.
Yeah, okay. What other vegetable will be there?
Nothing.
That's it?
Yes.
Thinks he has soup too. Hey Negro, you want to eat soup? Where's your bowl? So we got this soup here. It's called marjimek. It's
Yes.
lentil soup basically, but lentil soup all blended up.
Yes.
Okay.
With potatoes and carrot and onion and garlic.
Oh, that's pretty good. And what did you add to it? You added some hot, spicy pepper.
Yes, we call it pul biber
Okay.
and it's red one. Red.
So I'm surprised. Usually all the Turkish like to eat their soup with bread.
Bread?
Where's your bread?
Ah, no. I don't want to be fat.
Oh, that's a good answer. So you gave up bread so you could reduce your weight.
Because I'm going to eat gozleme, so I don't need to eat bread.
So you have to balance it.
Yes.
Well, your cat is like a monkey.
Yes.
Well, that's a big, humongous bread. It's like 1 meter across, huh? Almost. So there's 2 pieces here.
Yes. For one gozleme, we are using only one.
Just one, okay.
Yeah.
So you can easily buy this in the store in Turkey, anywhere.
Yes, you can find it anywhere.
So maybe for me, I'll just go to the international store in the US.
Yes. Or you can find someone who can make it for you.
Yeah, all the way from scratch. Maybe I should
Please,
have...
I didn't put so much salt.
No, it's okay. The more salt you have, the more thirst you'll get.
Yes.
So maybe I need to invite Turkish couch surfing travelers to my house.
Yes, yes.
Alright, so that's good. So you just spread the potatoes on?
Yes, this is okay, I think. I'm not professional. On this,
But
okay?
you're
I'm
amateur.
just making everything simple. Please, maybe I'm not a good example now. I don't know what I'm doing.
But at least you have an idea. You've seen this before.
Yes.
Alright, so you...
Because anytime I travel, everywhere I see. Okay.
Alright, so that's it?
Yes.
What about the onions? Where's that go? Well, that's already inside.
Yes, inside.
So what else can you add to it? You can add spinach.
Yes, spinach, meat, mushroom, cheese, some vegetables again if you want.
Like peppers?
No, not peppers. Something like, I don't know, green things, so many things. They put with cheese actually.
Anything green, okay.
Yeah.
What about eggplant? Padlijan.
Not a good idea.
And not a good idea for tomatoes, right?
Yes, yes.
Alright, so we'll see how yours is. So you actually add milk and eggs.
Yes.
Okay. So what happens after this? You have to put it on the fire again?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So this will make it crispy on both sides, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I love it.
Okay. Wow, so there's 3 layers in it.
Yes. Well, I'm eating 2, you are eating 1. Do you want me to make half for you?
No.
If you want. Because I'm not going to eat 2.
You said you're really hungry though.
No, but 2 is too much.
Okay. Do you ever add milk to the potatoes or never?
No.
Okay.
Normally you can put, but you don't eat this, why?
Yeah, but I was just wondering about you. Alright. I guess the milk is tasty. But you said he doesn't eat cheese.
No, sometimes maybe.
Well, it makes sense. Cats are known for milk, drinking milk.
But it's not milk, it was yogurt I put.
Like iron?
Yes.
Oh. Is that pretty good? He sure likes it. Negro. So you love that iron, huh? Oops, it's getting... It's almost finished, huh? Alright, so that was pretty good. So yours will be soft and mine will be crispy.
Yes.
Okay. Gozleme is finally finished. It was a simple process. We just got those 1 meter long flatbreads. And then after that you just mash in the potatoes and cook the onions, and you can add other vegetables too, but apparently don't add the eggplant. And then you put it back on the frying pan and it gets finished really quickly. Wow, yours is so big.
Yes, I'm so heavy.
How many kilos is that one?
I think half.
Half a kilo? Wow, so you're gonna finish it, huh?
I'm not sure, but I'll try.
We'll see. You said you're hungry, so.